Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I'm gonna create a name card holder. This tutorial is intended to I create this tutorial for the 3ds national competition, which is held uh, in our website in 3D. Maybe I can show you the example here. This one, we have a competition for the Indonesian student, and you can, for the Indonesian student, you can join this competition, which is held monthly. And now this is the second period of the from April 21st until uh, May 20. And this one, today I'm going to show you how to create this name card holder like this. And this is for the topic for this month, Fusion Challenge. Okay, firstly, we want to create a sketch in the XYZ, and I'm gonna do with the rectangle, with the center rectangle, which is the dimension would be 55 and 90 for the length. And then this sketch I want to extrude with 5 mm distance, and this block is intended for the stacking of the name card. So I also can insert a decal here. This is the face that I would like to insert this name card. I want to see yeah, this. Oh no, okay, yeah, this one. Okay, and with this block, we can scale up our decal to create a proper size, the right size for this name card stacking. Okay, I think it's fit enough. Okay, okay. This will be a name card stacking simulation for this name card holder. And then after that, I want to create another part, which is the I use the create component. Component is from body, and this one is create a card holder. Okay, this one is a component which is actively using this reference for designing. So the second one, I would like to create another sketch here. Maybe I like to create sketch at the bottom of the name card, and then I use this sketch as a reference. I use a project. I projected all the edges here, and then I create an offset over there. This offset is I want to be a slightly space, so when the name card is put it in the name card holder, it will be have enough space. So one is would be good, and then I create again the offset for the second, which is replicate a 1.5 is a thickness of the name card, this holder name card. Okay, then I and enter. Wait, one. Okay, offset from this one. 2.5 is the distance from the original rectangular. So this one, there is a rectangular. I stop sketch, and then I create the extrusion based on this card name, and then this extrusion would be at the 55. Okay, as we can see here, there is a hole inside. So I want to cap this hole. I look for the latest sketch. Yeah, I turn on the sketch and then I create one more. Yeah, that will be all. And then I give a thickness. Maybe 1 is enough. So that that last extrusion is for the bottom of the name card holder here. And then after that, okay, maybe I make a little mistake here. I want to extrude this not too high. Maybe it's 28. Yeah, like that. And then I create a new sketch, which is the midpoint of this one. And then I sketch I can use this slice for a better vision for this slice, and then I click the intersect to project my line here, so I can pick this line, and then I put a little bit 10 degrees would be good, and then the height would be 27.5. okay, then I also create one more. Oh, I think I make a mistake. Wait. I create this line strictly. Sorry. Oops. Okay. I create this line. Okay, 27.5, and then I also create this line here for the holder, and then the angle will be 15, and the length I put it here. And then after that, I have to make sure this edge here is when I incline this name card, then the edge here has to meet with this one. So I use a circle to put it here, and then I trim it using trim. Sorry, sketch, trim. I just trim this one, then I delete. So I make sure this particular line here is at the same length as this line here. Okay, then I stop sketch. I forget to put this fillet. I have to put this fillet here, fillet, this one and this one. Yeah, put the fillet a little bit, 0.5 would be good. Okay, 0.5 would be good. Okay, and then I use the sweep. I want to sweep this profile here, but this profile is not close because it's just surrounding of the all of the rectangular. So I need to put a little bit sketch here. I create a sketch to create sketch. Sorry, I create sketch here, and then I continue my line here to here. Oh, it's not collinear here and here, and then this one here to here. Okay, and stop sketch. And then I use a sweep command to this profile, and the path will be this one. Yeah, okay. Then I click OK. And then after that, I would like to split to lighten up a little bit more. So I want to pick this plane here. I cannot select because it's behind this particular object here. So I can click and hold, and there is an option is XY, XZ, sorry, XZ. Yeah, and then I reorient, and then I create a sketch. I like to make sure the sketch. Okay, create a sketch from here. Yeah, to here. Okay, here to here. And then I also create a sketch from here to here, here to here. Okay, make sure this one is equal length, and then this one is collinear input of it, and then I can measure the, sorry, yeah, this one 15 is good. Yeah, okay, that's it. And then one more sketch for this one is I think wait, oh yeah, that one, and then, okay, from here to here. Okay, make sure it's close for the sketch. Oh, it's a mistake. Okay, this one here to this one, then I create a parallel between those lines, and then I also create the parallel between this one and this one. And then you can also use the mirror command to mirror of this sketch here. Yeah, parallel this one with this one, this one with this one. Okay, and then make sure to get an equal length, this one and this one, so they get the same height, and then as well as the here and here, here to here. Okay, I also use a parallel command, this one parallel, this one with this one parallel, and then also using this collinear to make sure they have the same line. Okay, and I use the vertical point here to make sure there's aligned with the midpoint, and then I think that's it. This sketch I can use an extrude command. Extrude this one. Yeah, that one. This one and this one. Yeah. And then this one, that one. Okay, I like to extrude over there to make sure that this particular position here is cutting off, and then I use symmetric. But when you see here that the name card also is cut by this sketch, I don't want it. So I can choose where the object to cut. I uncheck the body one which is a name card stacking. Okay, and then I click OK. So, and then the second one, I also want to remove this part here. Where's the sketch? Okay, maybe I have to hide some of those bodies. Yeah, that one and that one. Okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and I open up the object to cut. Make sure the only card holder. Okay. Then I jump up to the last the assembly file. Okay, that's it. And then I will remove this a little bit more line here. I create a sketch here and I remove this one just to so the text here will be visually shown there. I can use this two object and then I create this. I select this face to make sure they are extruding until this edge. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough, and then we can continue with the rendering. Okay, before this render can go through, I have to reorient the position because this is the top view. So I would like to create something like this. I click on the back view and then yeah, like that, and then I right click, set current view as a top. So this one is a top view. Yeah, right, top view. Yeah, like that. And then also the position I can use modify. There is a move copy command, and then I select the component selection here, component, I select all. Is the the component as well as bodies. Sorry, body here, and also this one, body, all selected. And then I create this a little bit. Oh, how come this I cannot select this? Oh yeah, I have to select two bodies. Remember, two bodies. Yeah, I have to incline with the same angle. Yeah, I think it will be enough. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I continue with the rendering, and then I will assign maybe the plastic with the transparent. I'm using this yellow. Okay, and then I use other. There is a paper for this body over there. Apply to body. Wait, paper. Yeah, body one. Okay, close. And then we can select the environment, and then also the perspective view. I usually change the background so a little bit brighter. here. Okay, I can go to the canvas rendering. Okay, I think this will be a good explanation, I think, to you to go through with this model to understand the concept. Maybe I have to pause it. It's too heavy. Yeah. So you can create another name card holder, which is with your version, with your creativity. So you can join this competition, and hopefully you can get a prize for each of the best design. Thank you very much for your attention to this tutorial. See you and see you at the competition.